All right, so I need to put the numbers on here, and they're not, perfect because they're actually done out of wire. So I know that the 20 goes at the top, and then it's 1, and then 5, and then, 18, 12, 4, 9. Anyways, it goes around, and then there's a wire that goes all the way around. I can't tell if it's underneath or on top of the numbers. I actually think it's underneath the numbers, but I'm going to put it on top. And that's basically it. And then I'm going to steam it and put the darts on. So let's pipe these numbers on, and I can't actually pipe them upside down, so I'm going to have to turn the cake a little bit. But it goes at the end of each one of these. So like this is where the number 1 goes. And since they're wires and they're not really perfect, you don't have to be perfect when you do it, but that's basically how we're going to go around. I have the 18 a little off, so I might just move that a little bit. Wait till it dries. Whoops. Use your paintbrush to help you move any numbers you need to move, lines. Any dogtails you have, like this guy here, use the paintbrush to pipe it down. Push it down, move it around, whatever, okay? So I'm just gonna draw the rest of these. Let's see. And hopefully I won't get off. It's funny because then they turn the 6s sideways and then the 10 goes right side up. So then you gotta draw from the right side up. Just follow the little picture. All right, and then it's got a wire that goes all the way around, right on the outside. And of course that had to do that. Keep your bag up and let the gravity pull the string down. Okay, and then we'll just use the paintbrush to help with that join right there because I had to be right at the top. Oh yeah. And then the join here, which actually isn't bad. Okay. Let's go ahead and steam it to get rid of the nasty white marks on it and put a border on it. I'll put the border and then I'll steam it. And then we'll add the darts. Okay, so I just used the rope center. It's the little 3 clover-like guy in my clay gun, and then all you do is just go opposite ends. There we go. And it makes a rope, which is pretty cool looking. Okay, and then what you're going to do there is wet it and put it on. So we're going to get a little bit of water here. And we're going to start it, actually, I could start it at the bottom, but I think I'm going to actually start it on the side. And I know that this isn't going to go all the way around, but that's okay. I don't know why this isn't attaching. If it doesn't attach with water, I'll just use the royal icing, but it should attach with the water. It's not though, so we'll just use the royal. It's going to be stubborn like that. I can be stubborn too. Thin line of royal here. I can't see the front, so I will have to fix that. Any problems with it in a few minutes when I can see it. Don't want any of the icing showing, so pull it. Fix that. I'm steaming the cake to get rid of all the imperfections that I had in this, and there were a lot of them. Hopefully that has, it looks like it's gotten rid of the majority of them. Okay, and then what I need to do now is get those darts in. And so what I did is I just poked a hole with the spaghetti to make sure I wasn't going to break my dart putting it in. And you know, I don't know what you want to do. You want to do all 3 in a bullseye? We certainly can. Why not? And there you have your dartboard cake.